Hi everyone, I am Susan Zhang. Today we'll be taking a look at some words in Birom and how to make use of them. Let's check them out. Nshi is water. So is to take something liquid. Nshi is I will take water. Tere is I will take tere. Tere is one of the Birom dishes. Vyong is hunger. Masiwok vyong, I am hungry. Sey means to buy. Say ame hwalang is buy charcoal for me. Hwalang is charcoal. Ro, resel or rehel means to sell. So when you say who ro se or who resel se or who rehel se, you are simply asking, what do you sell? Miro bidwa is I sell cars. Bidwa is cars, but one, which is dwa, is car. Alright, thank you for participating in today's class. Remember to subscribe to my channel and I hope to come your way soon. Bye for now.